Good morning, dear children. Now, today we will discuss the last part of the chapter transfer of heat. So, we'll discuss about the thermoflask. Okay, and the two chapters will come for your the examination, the third phase knowledge-based online examination. One chapter is the heat transfer, which we are doing, and other one is the chapter energy. So, prepare well for your examination. Now let us discuss the last part today about the thermoflask. Now this thermoflask actually was invented by a Scottish scientist, Sir James Dewar, and this flask in 1872. And this flask is also known as the Dewar flask. And mostly in all of us we use the flask, okay, at home to keep the things, especially the liquid things, hot. This flask keeps the liquid things hot as well as the cold things cold. So this flask is constructed in such a way so that it does not lose heat, okay, from the process of conduction and convection, and also by radiation. So there are the three modes of transfer of heat, and the heat gets lost by the three process, okay, by the process of conduction, convection and radiation. And these flasks are constructed, or these are made in such a way so that no heat is lost from inside. So that is why this flask keeps the things, especially the liquid things, the water, the hot as well as the cold things, it keeps cold. Now let us it consists of the part here. Number one is the cork stopper. Second one is the plastic case. Third one is the silver outer wall. This is the outer wall is silver. The inner wall is also silver. That means the silver from both the outer and inner wall. Then the vacuum between the two walls. There is a space here. Vacuum between the two walls. And other one is the shock absorber. Okay. And the entire portion, this portion, the plastic case which is given here. So this remain inside the plastic. This is the inner portion of the flask. And this inner portion is placed inside a plastic case here. Then it's outside it consists either with a metal, the tin, or with a plastic. Okay, and inside you will find the silver outer wall, the silver inner wall, vacuum between the two walls, and the shock absorber. And on the top of it there is a cork stopper, and that cork is made up of either the wood or the plastic. Okay, so since the wood or the plastic, they are the insulator, okay, they do not conduct heat and they do not lose heat. So that is why the mouth of the thermoflask is closed or covered with a plastic or a wooden cork. Now the first one is there. Now this flask consists of a double walled glass vessel. It is a double walled glass vessel. Okay, double walled means this one. The entire portion, this is the plastic one, this is the outer part, and inner part is the double wall. Double wall means this one. One wall is there, okay, and the other wall is there. That is this one, the outer wall and the inner wall, double wall. And in the between this double wall and inner wall, there is the vacuum filled here. This is the vacuum. There is an empty space here, so that there is no loss of heat through the process of conduction and convection. Okay, now inside this here you fill with a liquid here. So when the liquid is filled here, okay, and liquid gets filled and the inner portion gets heated up, and that heat is not transferred towards from the inner wall. It does not get heated towards the outer wall because there is a vacuum here. Okay, there is a space here. So when you fill this flask with a liquid, okay, this heat of the liquid will not conducted outside because there is a vacuum here, and this vacuum is provided in order to prevent the loss of heat through the process of conduction and convection. And the silver outer wall is this one, this outer wall, this portion, the outer wall is silver, and the inner portion, this wall is also silver. Outer and inner wall is silver, both the side, and between this one there is the vacuum part is there. Okay, so the vacuum will prevent the loss of heat through the process of conduction and convection. And the silver from outer wall, both the side is silver, so that there is no loss of heat, so that the heat do not get reflected back, okay, and the heat get lost through the process of radiation. So that means the silver prevents the reflection of heat, and the heat cannot be lost to the process of radiation. So this way these vacuum are made. Okay, so sorry, these vacuum flasks are made, and at the base of the vacuum flask, okay, it is kept on a stand. Okay, and this stand is made up of insulator. Okay, it is kept on a rubber cork. Okay, rubber cork which act as a shock absorber. Okay, shock absorbance is prevent the flask from getting damaged. So the entire portion of the flask is placed on the rubber cork, so that cork act as a shock absorber. So this way the vacuum flask is made. So these vacuum flasks are constructed in such a way so that there is a vacuum inside the flask. So this vacuum will prevent the loss of heat through the process of conduction and convection, and also it is silvered from outer side as well as inner side, so that the reflection of light does not due to reflection of the heat, the heat will not get lost by the process of radiation. So this way the thermoflask is constructed. Thank you.